Hi everybody, welcome back. Tonight I'm back in downtown Denver just to explore and well, maybe take in a drone show. So why don't you come along and let's see what we can see. I'll be starting this adventure down at Denver Pavilions because, well, they have a couple of the floats from the Parade of Lights. And I hear there's a pop-up bar somewhere. I have no idea where it is. I'm gonna take a look and try to find it. You know, it's not every day you can walk right next to the floats from the parade. Well, this is the one Santa arrived on. And I'm just getting some nice up-close shots of these floats. It's very nice to be this close. Alright, well, let's move on and see if we can find this bar anywhere. Oh, but before I go, yeah, I just love all the details on some of these. These floats are just beautiful. Alright, just another quick look and let's go ahead and move on. I'm not sure if they were lying about this pop-up bar, but if so, hey, I'll just head back to the Christkindlmarket. Oh, side note, the Broncos just won, so downtown should be a little bit fun tonight. Okay, I have walked around most of the bottom floor and have yet to find this pop-up bar. But what I did find was absolute rubbish, which actually kind of, well, let's take a look here. I think these clothes are made out of trash. Either way, it's from Meow Wolf. Here's a look at the other one. Kind of wish I had some better lighting on this, but wow. Oh, this is actually quite a nice display over here. This is for, well, one of the restaurants. Getting another view of this little display case. I really do have to try eating there one day. Up to the second floor of the pavilions, and well, a lot of it kind of looks empty. There are some nice little displays in, well, some of the empty stores. But that's about it on this level. I take that back. That's it on the south side of the level. There are some open shops on the other side. Like I said, at least in the shops that are closed, there are some fairly nice displays. I kind of really like some of that art. Now let's see if I could zoom in on that sign there to show who this art is from. But it does look like some decent blacklight art. Oh wait, what? They have some projections on the buildings over there. But there's, unfortunately because of the construction, there's probably no good view of it. Still, it is a beautiful little spot. Even if I can't find that bar. You know, we got Lucky Strike, got an arcade over here, and we have Coyote Ugly, but I don't see that pop-up bar. There does appear to be a nightclub that's coming soon, but outside of that, I can't really find anything. I mean, that one down there does have a sign that says Pop-Up Denver, but that's as close as I can find. Yeah, the website talked about a pop-up bar, but this is the only clue I could find. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk over to the Christkindlmarket before the drone show. And I would ask y'all if you knew where it was, but we're pretty close to Christmas, so it's a bit late now. And now for the fun task of which way is Civic Center? Now the directions told me to take 15th. I think it's probably better to take 16th. It's probably better lit, even though most of it seems to be under construction. I will say it is quite beautiful downtown at night. And you occasionally get a good soundtrack too. Yeah. How can you not dance while you're walking around listening to Tina Turner? But unfortunately, this area is also kind of perpetually under construction. At least I know I'm going in the right direction. Some of these buildings out here downtown just look very nice in and of themselves. As of right now, the drone show starts in about 45 minutes. And from Christkindlmarket, it's a 15-minute walk. Yeah, that's enough time for a cocktail. Wait a second, I think I took a wrong turn. How did I get to Ohio? Wait, no, there it is. I made it to Civic Center Park again. Wow, apparently they're happy we're crossing the street. Well, made it to the Seals. And we are back. Let's go get a cocktail. It's definitely already far more crowded than it was on Krampus night. In fact, the festival house looks far too crowded. Let's go find someplace else. Oh yeah, you can tell it's definitely a different feel tonight. Whew. This place is hard to even maneuver through. They are absolutely doing good business tonight. Wow, even this side's nice and packed tonight. I found a short line, despite the fact that over there are long lines right next to me. Well, they were out of the drink I wanted, so I got the Krampus kick again. Still, very good drink. Cheers. Whew. Man, that was difficult just getting out. Still, I have 20 minutes to get to Sculpture Park. Let's see if I can make it. But before I head out, I just noticed they took everything down from the parade so we can get a little bit closer than we did last time. We did not have access to this whole area last time. We can now get up close and see some of these displays. You know, like these wonderful elves over here. I couldn't see these when I was here last time because they were getting ready for the Parade of Lights. This is absolutely wonderful. Now, granted, the music is a little bit loud, but it's an absolute wonderful display. A nice close look of the building. But I only have a few minutes to get to this drone show, so let's start heading out. By the way, I tried to get a shot of the fallout shelter sign I know of in Las Vegas and couldn't find it. But if anybody needs a fallout shelter, it's right here at the City and County building. And honestly, I like this building before in the daylight. It looks much better at night. That is beautiful. Kind of looks like a bunch of eyeballs. And that's where the money used to be made before it went digital. Well, I don't know exactly what year you're watching this in, so I assume all cash is gone by the time most people are watching this. You know, I would do a tour of the mint for this channel, but I'm pretty sure that will be illegal. Unfortunately, yeah, can't do it. But I've been there when I was a kid. I want my daughter to go. we might do something off channel. But I highly recommend going to visit a mint if you ever can. It's actually quite fun. But I am now apparently an 11-minute walk from where I want to be, and the drone show is about 18 minutes away. If it happens. It's been a little bit windy, but so far it kind of feels okay. Yeah, we still got people walking back from the stadium. Oh, and apparently the best rock album of 2024 has no name. Which is kind of a pity considering the year is almost over. Well, I'm almost to my location, but I have to show a memorial when I pass one. So here's to Denver's fallen firefighters. And honestly, the statue looks pretty nice in this light. And that memorial is right in front of Denver 1. Oh wow, that building's such a vibe. I think I'm getting closer to Sculpture Park. That is a sculpture, right? Well, I think I found the spot. And before we get to the show, just a quick butt check. Okay, this is actually quite a beautiful spot to watch a drone show. I can't complain. Just a quick side note. Tonight, it is a full moon. And we have all those drone sightings, so yeah, this should be a fun one. The show should be starting in just a few minutes. We have a nice crowd out here looking on, so hey, I'll probably put some music over it. We'll see. But we do have about 3 minutes, and I honestly can't get enough of this statue. Just a quick look at the shows that are going on over here at the Performing Arts Complex. I do need to catch a show sometime. Oh, we have drone launch. Apparently it's over there. Trying to get a good angle. I wish they had told us where it was. There we go. Well, that was fun. I hope I can put something together with that and maybe zoom in and post. And well, it was good in person. I don't like the fact that this camera doesn't have a good zoom. Other than that, yeah, that was definitely a good free drone show. But for now, I think it's time to head back to the train and call it a night. Downtown Denver is definitely beautiful at night. Well, I want to thank you for joining. I hope I could put something together with that drone show. I do have a little bit more holiday fun between now and the end of the year. Hope you can come back and join. Until then, make sure you like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. And I'll see you next time. Well, I believe I found my train station. Good night, all.